Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to play Clash Royale on my PC. First, you'll need an Android emulator, which is software that mimics a mobile device environment on your computer. This allows you to download and run mobile applications directly from your desktop. Choosing a good emulator is key for a smooth gaming experience, so pick one known for stability and performance. To get started, consider popular emulators like BlueStacks, Nox Player, or LD Player. They offer robust features for gaming. Visit the official website of your chosen emulator to download the installer file. Once downloaded, run the installer and follow the straightforward on-screen prompts to complete the installation process on your computer. It's usually a quick setup. After installing the emulator, launch it from your desktop. You'll then need to sign in with your Google account, just as you would on a new Android phone. This step grants you access to the Google Play Store. Once logged in, navigate to the Play Store, search for Clash Royale, and proceed to install the game directly into your emulator environment. With Clash Royale installed, take a moment to optimize your emulator settings. You can often adjust graphics quality and allocate more resources for smoother gameplay. Also, customize your keyboard controls to map actions to keys that feel natural for you. This setup provides a much larger view and more precise control, enhancing your overall Clash Royale experience.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.